So just a quick video for today of what we are doing on November 5th, first day of hybrid. We come to our class, to do folder, this week's date, the folder for the 5th, the character description assignment. You'll have to click on assignment, scroll down to the bottom, open up the PDF of the stories, pick 2 of the 3 stories to read through. Then come back, you'll click on My Document, opening up the Google Doc. Everywhere you see red is where you're going to fill in your answer, so please tell me which character you read about. Then answer both parts of the question in complete sentences for the first 3. And then the fourth one, you are coming up with 4 different options. And the options, 2 of them have to have a positive consequence and 2 of them have to have a negative consequence. And you're doing the same thing for a second character.